Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Sofi Bank with the OnePay app. First, let's open up the OnePay app. Next, on the upper right hand corner, click on your profile icon name. On this page here, click on Account, then click on Linked Accounts, then click on Link Bank Account. Now it's going to redirect you to the software called Plaid. Plaid is what OnePay uses to keep your data safe and connect financial institutions together. Click on Get Started, then click on Continue as Guest, then click on Sofi. Now it's going to prompt you to log into your Sofi account so that you can select which account you want to connect to the OnePay app. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Sofi Bank to the OnePay app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.